Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the 2024 planners by Neorah. If you guys know, I've been working with them for a really long time now. Last year again I made a video with them, and this year I'm back with two of their planners. Now this one is the Neorah's Petite Planner. It's a dated planner for 2024 and it's a very nice slim sleek planner. Now the best part about Neorah planners are that those planners are not your typical quirky girly planners that we classify as. They are these very nice Bujo inspired planners that legit anyone can use, and also the colors are so aesthetic and the quality is top notch. First of all of their planners comes with these beautiful guides that actually help you give a detailed view of how you should use these planners, a proper 100% usage through these. And sometimes when I read these guides, it actually inspires me that I could use the planner in that way as well. So these guides are very useful, and also these guides are made in that way as per the planner size and the planner that you're picking up. So they have a variety of dated and undated planners, and this is their very popular weekly petite planner. It's slim, it's hardbound cover, and it is a beautiful planner. Comes in a lot of different colors. Here I was just struggling initially a bit to remove it, the plastic cover, and eventually I finally did it. So I was trying real hard with my nails, but then I realized, it's better to skip on it and just use a good sharp blade and put a slight slit and then tear it off. And also it's quite fun to remove these plastic covers on top, because first of all, it gives you that premium feel, and also it's a surety that it's properly sealed. So I just used my X-Acto knife, and yeah, finally the planner was out of the seal. So this is the teal blue color, and also it's one of their affordable planners. You can also use my coupon code on Neorah's website and get additional off. I'll leave the codes below. So this is a beautiful everyday planner. I personally feel these planners are perfect for boys who want to carry something that is minimal and something that'll get their job done. So this is how the planner is. I'll be in-depth flipping this and reviewing it on my study channel, so you can definitely go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Slowly the videos will be coming, so make sure you're patient. But yeah, on this channel I'll be doing all the planner unboxings and reviews, which is my main channel. So the best part about these petite planners by Neorah is that they try and include maximum of things that you would find in a huge big bulky planner, and they focus on the things that are important, like your finance tracking, habit tracking, gratitude writing, weekly, monthly planning, and overviews. So in this, of course, you've got your finance tracking, and it's a monthly come yearly planner, both mixed, and your everyday thing is divided into weeks. Then you've got your weeks dated planner as it is. So it's a very nice compact planner, perfect for boys. There are so many color options: black, white, cream, yellow, purple, lilac, all of these. So you can pick up the ones that you like. And I also really like their minimal aesthetic packaging. Now let's move on to the other planner. I was quite excited for this planner. Now this one is the Neorah's B6 2024 Daily Planner, and I picked up the variant pink. Now this is actually a B6 size, so that means it's bigger than the petite planner. It's more like your square page. And of course, it's a daily planner, so you will be having more in-depth planning than a weekly planner. They also have a couple of other options. You can check their website. They also have hampers. They have a lot more stuff. Let me know if you want a review on those other things as well that Neorah sells, like their pencil pouches, purses, clutches, etc. Again, it comes with a guide, and like I told you, I love the fact that the guides are based on the kind of planner that you're picking. Now this is definitely a bit more pricier than the petite planner because it's more bulky and it's more in-depth. But I like the fact that they've made a B6 planner this time, because it's not like a A5 size sort of a thing. So it's more a little compact and easy to carry if you are going to take it in your everyday work bag or everyday college bag, like small tote bags. So I picked up the pink color, and this time I was just directly using the X-Acto knife, so I didn't have to struggle a lot. So I really like the quality of these products because first of all, the cover, or you can see the outer covering, the hardbound covering is actually quite premium. It's like a soft leather sort of a feel. Of course, it's not leather, and that's great actually. But yeah, I like the engravings also that they do, the accomplish, the purpose behind their planners are that accomplishment feeling, and this is your daily 2024 planner, which is dated. Now it's the classic Neorah style. You've got grid pages, squared checkered pages, whatever you want to call them. Now I really like the fact that it gives you this very nice minimal bujo aesthetics on the page, and this is something that I have pointed out in the previous years as well. Like, this is one of those planners that'll give you that nice feel of like you are watching a Korean, or you're using a Korean stationery or a Japanese stationery, because it gives that bujo vibes. Now this year what I've noticed is that they've changed the section, they've made it vertically, and that's fine. I mean, it really doesn't make any difference. And here you have your daily layout where you have your gratitude, your goals, accomplishments in the day, all of that thing. So that's another thing that I liked. Again, you've got your finance tracking, and the habit tracking they have skipped in here, and they've used it your daily layout as a habit tracking method. So of course I will be reviewing them in depth on my study channel. You can check that out, like how to use it and going through the guide and all. But overall it's pretty good. There are other sizes available as well, so you can check that out as well. Honestly, Neorah is one of those brands in the Indian market that focuses on the quality and the purpose of the planner and not just the aesthetics. And I know there are a lot of people out there who really want a planner that'll help them out, and not just for the kind of way it looks or feels. Also, they have these beautiful metallic stickers that I feel you get with the hampers and not with these individual planners, although you can buy them separately. So yeah, that is also something that you can look out for. But otherwise I feel like it's a pretty good planner which will help you out plan everything individually. Another option that I feel you can go ahead for these kind of planners are when you have very extensive planning involved and you want everything to be minimal and just write it out. And also if you're someone into calligraphy and likes to journal and wants everything a bit more customized, then these planners are for you, because they've not added any color. And by that I mean they've not added any sort of prints, they've not added any sort of elements like, let's say, a flower or like some other stuff. So again, it depends from your perspective to perspective. If you're a very minimal aesthetic sort of a person, you can go ahead with this. And to be very honest, I highly recommend the boys out there to go for the petite planner, because it's going to help you out very well, and the color options they have are again very, very nice. So yeah, this was my quick unboxing and review of the Neorah planners, the dated ones for 2024. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I have a coupon code with them. I'll leave the links below. You can get some extra off in case you want to purchase these items. And let me know what all other planner videos you want to see for this season. I have already ordered some affordable planners, so the reviews are going to be coming up pretty soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.